Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Lindsay Duff here. I haven't traded except for Tuesday this week, and my plan was to trade today, and I'm going to give it a shot. I just heard some kind of disturbing news about a family friend's teenage daughter who was in a head-on collision at 4:30 this morning and is on life support. So it's some pretty hard news to hear, to think about. Makes you want to hold your babies much closer. And yeah. So if y'all pray or send good vibes or whatever it is you do, please keep Raven Hill and her family in your thoughts today. Please. With that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and move on today, and just take it slow and breathe through things. I have also been doing Rosetta Stone, the Espanol. I know poquito Espanol. I took Spanish in high school. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market. What am I doing? Daily chart. Daily chart. Whew. Yeah, look. This looks like it's still trying to push up, and yeah, we can see it pushing up right now on the smaller time frames, smaller tick charts. Let's see what we can pull off here, y'all. I like the way that this is taken off. I want to see this pull back right here. I don't think we're going to get a pullback. I think it's just going to go from here. I'm going to give it an opportunity. At the zero line. Above the zero line here, BB's still trying to push up a little bit. It's just the strength to the downside on the smaller tick chart that's concerning me just a little bit. Okay. I'm still not done with this thought process along. I may have just been a little hasty. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take that first exit. That second exit, excuse me. I'll be prepared if another one comes up. It probably wouldn't have hit my target, my stop. 2, 3, 4. Let's try it one more time. Let's see if it comes back and tugs me. Okay, perfect. to go ahead and take that exit. As it's reaching that high, it might still keep going up, but it's just really struggling. It's at areas that could give us a bounce down, looking at the 610. Okay, yeah, pulled up, pulled down and hit it. Okay. That only left me with a tick in profit for that one, but that's all right. Yeah, saw the reason to exit. I just held a little bit longer. Can't fault me for it. Alright, so this first one, let's go back here. And I may, I don't know. This first one, got a little excited. It just had, my brain wasn't on high function just yet. Okay, so plus 2.0. Plus 2.25. Would have not touched my risk, which was at a 2 point. So that one could have kept going up, but I went ahead and got right back in it. The next one was plus 1.25 points. So that was plus 2.5. Okay, the next one was plus 2.0. Plus 0.25. Oh, this is looking much better for the long now, y'all. Just FYI, now that it's pulled down here and rolled around and it's starting to roll here, now it's looking much better for the long. So that's what? 1, 2, 4 trades today. Oh, hold on. Sorry. 1 loss, 3 wins, plus 6.5. All right. So my first trade of the day was probably still a little tied to the emotions that I was feeling. And, you know, I do come on here as real as I can. You see a lot of people that come into and try and teach and tell you that they're these big shot traders, and they seem so unrealistic, and they have goals that almost seem unattainable, and that's because a lot of times they feel like they are. I'm just a normal person. You know, I've spent a lot of time in the education of day trading. A lot. I mean, going on about 15 years now. What I've learned is if we don't show people the real side of it to where this is difficult, you will have, you know, things in your life that come up that make you feel emotions, and we will have those sometimes on a daily basis. It's our choice in how we deal with them when we have to still move on with life. And, the first trade was a loss. I could have just said, man, forget this. My day is terrible. I'm not going to do anything. But I chose to continue on. And, yeah, so, it's all a choice. And, it is like learning a new language. Each day you'll put in just a little bit more. I mean, sometimes I still even learn new words in the English language these days, going, what does that even mean? What's a dongle? I mean, all those kind of things. So just take it with a fresh breath every day. Come to it and say, this is the market. This is me. Here I am. I have a choice. I'm going to pay attention and put my mind in it and breathe and be prepared, or I'm going to just put it away and step aside, or maybe even maybe I'm going to let my emotions get the best of me that day, and I'm going to click that button 100 times because I'm so mad at things and frustrated and hoping that it will make things change. But it won't. The only thing that produces change is up in here. And working every day to do better, to feel better, to make more of everything. Like I'm working on making more videos for the website. I'm working on learning Spanish. I'm working on teaching my daughter how to drive. I'm working on being a better trader myself, taking more trades throughout the day. Actually last night I sat with the market replays, and I was evaluating my charts. What can I take away from my charts to make this easier? And I actually found some things that I might be changing before long. Will I still use everything? Yes. I mean, it's all served its purpose, and it's done what I needed and pushed me to where I am. And I have students who just use 2 or 3 charts, and I may even go down to that. I have students who use all 5 and more, and some minute charts. I mean, I don't plan on adding more, but I'm just saying everybody has something a little bit different. What's happening in their minds, what's happening in their lives, and just taking a moment to breathe and say, this is life, and I'm going to move forward with it as best as I can. And that's all you can do, right? So, all right, end rant. Much love, y'all. Just let those around you know that you love them, and be kind to one another, because you never know what anybody's going through. So, hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I look so forward to seeing y'all on the profitable side.